all the cast here. So, ano lang po tayo, group photo. Ayan. Again, Mujige po, showing na in cinemas nationwide starting tomorrow, October 9. Sa mga SM Cinemas po natin yan mapapanood. Selfie po tayo. Ayan, picture muna po tayo. Picture, quick photo. There. And after the group photo, we will have a selfie. So, sama po kayong lahat, no? Oo. You may occupy the seats na po sa mga ticket holders natin na nandyan sa labas pa. There. And after that, selfie po, facing the screen. Everyone po, please join us. Pwede po kayong tumayo, extend your arms so you can be seen in the photo. There. Here. So si Direk ang magsi-selfie. Ayan. Ayan, dito po tayo. Selfie po tayo with our friends sa loob ng Cinema 3. Again, congratulations to all the cast, the staff, the production, and UXS. Thank you so much po for giving us Mujige. Showing na po yan, October 9. Ayan, groovy tayo. Everyone, smile! Tama ko dyan. Hey! Laban lang fighting. Natalisod pa ako. Oo. And yes, thank you so much. Now we will go to the other cinema. Palakpakan po. So maraming salamat po. Now tawagin na natin. Kasama natin Mr. Rolly Inocencio, Miss Pee-wee O'Hara, Scarlett, Ana Luna, Kate Alejandrino, Kai Cortez, Richard Kwan. We have Direk Randolph Longhay, Rufo May Quinto, Kim Jisoo, Ryrie Sofia, and Alexa Ilacad. Palakpakan naman natin. Come on. There you go. Mujige po, bukas na po yan, October 9 sa SM Cinemas nationwide. There. Okay. So, we have Kim Jisoo over here and Alexa Ilacad. So please, let's greet everyone and invite everyone.
Thank you for coming here, everyone. And I hope you enjoy the film, and if you are satisfied the movie, please promote to everyone, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Alexa.
Hi everyone, good evening. Thank you so much for being here with us tonight. Maraming salamat po sa oras na binigay ninyo for heading out dito ngayong baka mag-traffic. Maraming salamat po. We really appreciate it, and we are looking forward to seeing your reviews about our movie. Kaya maraming salamat po ulit. I hope you enjoy it.
Congratulations. Now let's have a group photo. Alexa. There you go. Yan, prepare your cameras and your video phones. And palakpakan natin ang cast ng Mujige. Mapapanood na po natin simula bukas sa SM Cinemas nationwide. Alright, next. Same drill. Selfie tayo with our friends.
Okay.
Selfie tayo, okay lang ba yun? Yes, okay lang. Sabi sa inyo, okay lang eh. Okay, sa mga nandyan po, pwede po kayong tumayo. You may stand po, so you can be seen in the photo.
Hindi nagkita kanina.
Yan. Yan, mas okay.
Alright, let's groovy, come on! Share your positive energies!
Let's go!
So fun! Wow!
Okay.
Alright.
Look here!
Look here, sure.
There. Kim, look here! Kim! Kim!
Jisoo! Okay, smile! Bonding! So fun. Okay, next video tayo. Everybody say, Laban fighting! Laban fighting, okay? Laban fighting. Okay po ba yun? Say okay. Ayun. Alright, laban fighting in 3, 2, Mujigay, October 9. See you there. And see you now.
Gay, gay!
Mujigay, gay, gay!
Thank you po. Ako naman, ano ba yun? Kailan naman, ano ba?
Ate Emma. Oo, sige. Thank you. Kain na tayo.
Alexa, KD.
Kelly, Alexa.
Of course, napaka-sexy Kai Cortez. There you go. Ayan, kasama po natin here on stage, Ana Luna, Kate Estrino, and Kai Cortez. Hello, Ate Kai. Ayan, nakikita ko rin, Mr. Richard Kwan. Ayan. Siyempre, joining us sa ating Blue Carpet Premiere for Mujigay. Ayan, please. Batiin muna po natin ang ating friends and supporters na nandito. Ana Luna!
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyo at salamat sa paghihintay. Ito na, Mujigay, mapapanalo natin lahat. So, yay!
And kahit siguro few lines po. Sino ka ba dito sa Mujigay? Ano ba ang character?
Ako po si Reyna Lin, ang sister ni Sonny, at anak ko si Mujigay dito.
Thank you and congratulations, Ana Luna! Next, Kate Alejandrino.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Napaka-excited ko po and I'm sure you guys are excited as well. Ang role ko po dito ay isa ako sa best friend ni Alexa, si Marla. Ayan. See you later!
Thank you, Bessie Marla. Of course, the Kai Cortez.
Annyeonghaseyo!
Annyeong-annyeong!
Hello, eto na ang matagal na nating hinihintay. Mapapanood na po natin ang Mujigay!
Hey!
In-invite nyo na po sila. Ako po gusto ko magpasalamat, especially sa mga creatives and heads behind this. Specifically, Direk Randolph. Dito si Miss Madonna to.
Yes, Miss Madonna.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Naku, makikita nyo ang pinaghirapan naming lahat. That's why we're so excited for everyone to watch our Rainbow Mujigay.
Thank you and congratulations. And of course, Mr. Richard Kwan.
Hi, good evening. Nice to be here. Nice that all of you are here. Salamat sa inyong pagpunta.
And yes, palakpakan natin. Thank you so much for and congratulations for Mujigay. Now, picture muna po tayo.